Hello! This video will show you how to make changes to your Wixie accounts for a new school year, including how to delete students who are leaving your school and steps to change a student's grade level and teacher. Before we get started, log into the administrator account provided to you by Tech for Learning and click the Accounts tab in the green bar on top. Be sure Manually is selected in the box on the left. Since you used Wixie last year, you will already have teachers and student accounts populated. Click the Students tab to begin editing students. You can select one student to edit, or you can search for an entire grade level to edit by using the grade search filter. For example, perhaps your 5th grade students are moving on to a different school for 6th grade. Simply click the down arrow and choose a grade. Next, click Search. Once you've selected the grade you'd like to edit, locate the 3 dots in the upper right corner and choose Select All. All of the boxes to the left of your student should now be selected. Click the 3 dots in the upper right corner again, and this time click Delete. You'll notice a black strike through on the accounts that have been deleted. This indicates that although the students have been deleted, you can still recover an account for a period of 30 days by choosing the Undelete option. Now let's graduate the 4th grade students to 5th grade. Use the grade filter to select a grade and click Search. It's important to note that any returning users should maintain the same user ID year after year. This will ensure that all previously created projects are carried over for future access. Now click the 3 dots in the upper right corner and choose Select All. A check mark should be placed to the left of the students. Now click the 3 dots again and choose Edit. You can now edit any of the fields that you need to modify. To change the grade level of your students from 4th to 5th grade, simply click the down arrow and change the grade from 4th to 5th grade. You might also need to change the class that a student is associated with. Simply click inside the class box. Uncheck last year's class and select the class the student should now be attached to. Now click OK. You can repeat this process and modify the grade and class for each student. When you are done editing the fields, click the check mark in the upper right corner. If you want to add new students, teachers, or classes, simply navigate to the correct tab you wish to modify and click the Add button. Rolling over your users each year in Wixie is easy.